ekikozo rw'okuhwera abahingi okutunga amaizi g'okwiterera ebihingwa byabo omu sizoni zoona kitari ky'okurinda obwire bw'enjura bwonka. Abantu bahinga emondi, ebicoori, ebinyobwa, enyanya kandi skimu egi eshutami aha buhango bwahiika 6. Masongora mini irrigation scheme ni skimu ya kashatu okwegiita aha rw'egaju gravity flow scheme hamwe na Kichuma mini irrigation scheme zoona ezigendereire kuhwera abahingi.
Tutungiremu entaasa kuruga muri ebi bituri kuhinga yatugarisa kuhazi ku rufizi n'ahajya entaasa gyaitu kwenu kufuna kasete mu maka gaitu.
It will help us to plant crops during dry season so that we can get enough food to feed our children.
Engineer Kiza Matovu kuruga Ministry y'Amaizi n'Obuhangwa ashoborire ku skimu egi erayamba abahingi okuhinga ebihingwa season zoona.
So we encourage the farmers of Masongora to make sure that they target crops during that period when others are not producing. They earn the highest price and then demand overwhelm.
The Ministry of Water and the Environment has sunk more than 650 million shillings of water irrigation infrastructure to ensure that our farmers get produce.
Bande bashabira abaturo kureba ngo barwanisa abashuma abarikwiba ebyoma bya project egi.
These are enemies of development and they have to be fought. Now we are working on the minds of our people to know that they have to initiate the security systems.
River Sogoi, of which River Sogoi is the one that feeds water to the pond of irrigation scheme of Masongora. That's where water comes from. So if we are to sustain it, we need not allow the intruders to come and actually deplete that forest.
Ministry y'Amaizi n'Obuhangwa negera ngu yasya skimu hiheza kurenga omara 50 omu kicweka kya burenje bw'izooba okwinegyeza enkora ya gavumenti ey'okwiha abantu omu bworo erikurabira omu kuhinga kw'omurembe. Gashakwa Adolphe Yoreka.